Hello, my name is Donald Cornett, and this is my presentation for Dr. Matteo Aboy's Programming for Engineers course at OIT. This presentation is my oscilloscope model, and mine is broken into tabs, and it's currently running right now, and the signal type is direct current, so it's got a solid line across the front. You can change the signal type here: triangular, square, sine, sawtooth. You can modify the amplitude, the frequency here, and the offset. And up here in the right corner, the amplitude and frequency are displayed, as well as the volts min, max, mean, peak to peak. Down here, you can add noise. If I switch back to sine and change from no noise to uniform, Gaussian. Here's a slider I put in to change the amplitude. This is a little clock that I added to change the delay time. This is a vertical control. Reset. This is the elapsed timer and the reset for the timer. The other tabs is the classic waveform, the FFT analysis, and up here is the save to file. You can just click OK after it's running, and it outputs to a file. And that is my presentation, and I thank you very much.